Hi guys and welcome. If you're looking for a new way to earn money and create new opportunities, AI image is the answer. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the world of artificial intelligence and show you how to leverage AI images to create new revenue streams and achieve your own financial success. So stay tuned not to miss any important information.
Have you heard about DreamPik AI yet? It's a fantastic platform that lets you turn your ordinary photos into personalized works of art. And the best part, it's all done through artificial intelligence. Here's how it works. First, upload 10-30 photos of yourself, or someone else if you want, to the platform. Then you pick from a wide range of styles, including everything from celebrities to art deco, from African shamans to comic soccer players. You can suggest your custom style if you have a specific vision. Once you've picked your style, the DreamPik AI platform uses advanced technologies like Stable Diffusion and DreamBooth to train a neural network on your photos. This creates a model that can generate new images in your chosen style. And trust me, the results are excellent. So what can you do with these personalized images? Well, the sky's the limit. You can download and share the photos on social media, use them as your new profile picture, or even use them for commercial purposes. And because the platform is fee-based, you can be sure that your photos and information are kept safe and secure. Now I know you might be thinking, but what if I want to try a different style later? Don't worry, DreamPik AI has got you covered. You can reuse or download the trained model and create images in as many different styles as you like. The possibilities are endless. And that's not all. DreamPik AI is constantly adding new styles to its list, so you'll always have options. Whether you're into futuristic cyberpunk, vintage steampunk, or the latest pop art trends, you'll find it all here. And if you don't, suggest a new style, and who knows, it might end up being the next big thing. Another great thing about DreamPik AI is that you can create images of anyone you like. Maybe you have a friend who always wanted to be a comic soccer player, or perhaps you have a family member who wants to see themselves as a Greek deity. With DreamPik AI, you can make those dreams a reality. So whether you're an artist, a creative mind, or just someone who wants to have fun, DreamPik AI is the perfect platform. With its easy-to-use interface and cutting-edge technology, you'll be able to turn your ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art in no time. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to express yourself or want some creative severe fun, DreamPik AI is the perfect platform. Try it out today and see what amazing images you can create. Have you ever heard of PicturePerfect AI? It's a fantastic new AI avatar generator, changing the game for virtual assistants, customer service agents, and even personal companions. The state-of-the-art tool takes the hassle out of creating a customized, lifelike avatar that truly represents you or your brand. So how does it work? It's simple. You just upload your photos and choose from over 100 appearance options. Each style generates 8 unique avatars, meaning you'll have 200 to choose from. The result is a high-quality, diverse avatar that reflects your personality and style. But what sets PicturePerfect AI apart from other apps is its commitment to quality. They don't take shortcuts or rely on pre-existing models. Instead, they train their own models and run their GPU servers to ensure the best possible results. And the best part, they offer all of this at an affordable price. Now I know you're thinking, what about my privacy? Don't worry. PicturePerfect AI has got you covered. All user data is encrypted and deleted after 24 hours, so you can trust that your personal information is safe. To get the most out of PicturePerfect AI, it's recommended that you upload 10 close-ups of your face, 5 chest and up photos, 3 side profile photos, and 3 full body photos with different facial expressions, backgrounds, and minimal makeup. Make sure there's no nudity or excessive makeup in your photos. Payments are protected by AES 256 encryption and processed through Stripe, so you can have peace of mind when making your purchase. PicturePerfect AI supports JPG, PNG, WEBP, and AGIC photo formats, so you can use your preferred photo format. And the best part, the avatars you create with PicturePerfect AI are just the beginning. Once you have your avatar, you can use it in various ways to enhance your online presence. For example, you can use your avatar as a virtual assistant to handle routine tasks like responding to emails or scheduling appointments. You can also use it as a customer service agent to provide quick and efficient customer support. And if you're feeling lonely, your avatar can even be a personal companion to keep your company. PicturePerfect AI is constantly improving and updating its technology so that you can expect even more features and options in the future. In a few years, your avatar might even be able to interact with others in real time. The possibilities are endless. One thing's for sure, PicturePerfect AI is a game changer. It's making the virtual world more accessible and more personalized than ever before. Whether you're a business owner, a virtual assistant, or just someone who wants to enhance your online presence, PicturePerfect AI is the tool for you. So what are you waiting for? Get started on creating your very own AI avatar today and join the ranks of those who are revolutionizing the virtual world. Have you heard of MakeIt? It's an AI-based generative design software that's changing the game for architects, builders, and developers. If you're in the business of creating architectural plans, you need to know about MakeIt. What sets MakeIt apart is its use of artificial intelligence to help users find the best floor plan for their clients. The algorithm understands project constraints and allows for customization of the size and shape of the land and desired space between rooms. This means you can create design concepts in minutes, not months, and instantly explore thousands of AI-generated floor plans. And the best part? MakeIt offers real-time collaboration so all stakeholders can work together on the same platform. It's perfect for small and large teams and incredibly user-friendly with a simple interface that's easy to navigate. But wait, there's more. MakeIt also manages invoices, automates data entry and approval, and simplifies the architectural process by providing a more thoughtful design for faster growth. And when you're ready to share your plans, you can export them in PDF or PNG formats. With its real-time collaborative feature, you can work with your team to make changes to the designs in real time, eliminating the need for lengthy email threads and confusing back-and-forth communication. Plus, with MakeIt's 3D visualization feature, you can see your design come to life, giving you a better understanding of how each design will look and function in the real world. And if you're worried about losing control over the design process, don't be. MakeIt offers complete customization options, including the ability to change the size and shape of the land, building, and rooms. You have full control over the design process, and MakeIt helps you get there faster. Finally, one of the things that sets MakeIt apart is its commitment to making life easier for architects, builders, and developers. From its simple interface to its powerful features, MakeIt is designed to streamline the architectural process and help you get more done in less time. So why not give it a try and see how it can help you achieve your goals? In conclusion, MakeIt is a game changer in the architectural industry. And if you're looking for a faster, more efficient way to create architectural plans, you need to check it out. It's available for both small and large teams, and it's sure to become an essential tool in your arsenal. So what are you waiting for? Give MakeIt a try today. Have you heard about Animal AI? It's the fantastic AI tool that allows you to turn your photos into portraits of animals created by artificial intelligence. It's an enjoyable and unique way to showcase your images. So the process is pretty simple. First, you get to choose from 40 different styles of animals, including popular options like cats, dogs, tigers, and unicorns, just to name a few. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even choose the Grinch. Once you've selected, you upload 10-20 images to train the AI. These images should include a mix of close-ups, medium shots, and full shots taken in different lighting conditions and with different facial expressions to get the best results. And the best part? Within 24 hours, you'll receive 120 HD quality animal portraits via email. You can share the link with your friends and family or keep it as a fun surprise. Plus, Animal AI donates all of its profits to reputable wildlife groups, so you're not only getting a fun experience, but also supporting a good cause. When uploading your photos, ensure they are more significant than 512 on 512 pixels and feature only one person. And to avoid any issues, be sure to steer clear of pictures that are nude, black and white, or taken without consent. And keep in mind that the AI-generated portraits may be unpredictable, so no refunds are offered. Animal AI is not only an entertaining tool, but it's also a great way to showcase your creativity and imagination. Imagine having a portrait of yourself as a tiger or unicorn. How cool would that be? The possibilities are truly endless. Another great thing about Animal AI is that you don't need to be an AI or computer science expert to use it. The user interface is simple and intuitive, and the process of uploading photos and receiving your portraits is straightforward. And if you do encounter any issues, the customer support team is always available to help. And as technology advances, the AI used by Animal AI is constantly improving, ensuring that the results you receive will only get better and better. So whether you're looking for a fun way to showcase your photos or simply looking for a unique and creative way to express yourself, Animal AI is the perfect tool for you. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to showcase your photos, head to Animal AI and try it out. All you need to do is agree to the terms of use and then upload your pictures via WeTransfer, Google Drive, Dropbox, or any other similar service. And with just a one-time payment, you'll be on your way to creating your own animal portraits. Have you heard of the new AI-based application called Omniverse Audio 2Face from NVIDIA? It's a game changer in 3D character animation, and I'm so excited to tell you about it. So what exactly is Audio 2Face? It's an application that simplifies the animation process for 3D characters, making it easy to match any voiceover or backstory. Whether you're an animator for a game, movie, or just for fun, Audio 2Face has got you covered. It can be used in real time for interactive applications, or as a traditional character creation tool. And the best part, the results can be run in real time or baked. It's up to you. Audio 2Face has many features that make it stand out from the rest. This application has got everything from meta-universe applications, data analytics, and healthcare to gaming, creative, and machine learning. With the latest update, the app now includes blending, shape conversion, and expert options, making it even more versatile and user-friendly. Now let me tell you how it works. All you have to do is record a soundtrack and enter it into the app. Then sit back and watch as your 3D face comes to life in real time. Yes, you heard that right. You can even create live animations using just your microphone. And the best part is, Audio 2Face is capable of processing any language, making it accessible to people from all around the world. But that's not all. Audio 2Face gives you the power to focus on any 3D human or face, whether realistic or stylized. With just a few clicks, you can even change characters on the fly, whether human or animal. And if you're working on a scene with multiple personalities, don't worry, Audio 2Face can easily handle that too. You can run multiple instances of the app with any number of characters and animate them, all from different soundtracks. And the last but not least, Audio 2Face gives you the ability to select and animate your character's emotions in a matter of seconds. The AI network automatically manipulates the movements of your face, eyes, mouth, tongue, and head to match the range of emotions you select in the intensity level you set. It's that simple. Download NVIDIA Omniverse and get started with Audio 2Face today. Once the installation is complete, just open the Omniverse launcher, locate Audio 2Face under Applications, click Install, then Run. Trust me, you won't regret it. The latest update of the Omniverse Audio 2Face app includes blend shape conversion and weight export options. You can now easily export and import from blend shapes for Blender and Epic Games Unreal Engine. You can even create character movements using the appropriate Omniverse connectors. So you're ready to bring your characters to life. In that case, all you need to do is download NVIDIA Omniverse, run the installation, open the Omniverse launcher, locate Omniverse Audio 2Face under Applications, click Install, and then run. With the Omniverse Audio 2Face app, you'll be able to create stunning 3D character animations that are sure to impress. So what are you waiting for? Get started today.